Today we talk about how can you enable silent notifications on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on System Access Management. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notifications here. So then it's going to take you into this list here. Click on notifications. Then you click here on notification categories. So then you come here to silent and you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here silent notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.